guys. Right, hello guys. Today we're going to be making a beat from scratch for Ben's new EP. We're just going to make something from scratch, so the first thing I'm going to do is get some loops, because Ben will want some.
So can you search like people's type loops?
You can search like loops and shit.
What, like type? So like artist type loops?
I don't know my password.
Because last time you remember when you got one up here, like the Gunner one. Did you search like Gunner or something?
No, it just came up as that.
I'll search something like Wiz Khalifa, like that's.
You like Wiz Khalifa?
Or Kendrick Lamar or something like that, like listen to his type of loops, you know? Like Kendrick Lamar or J. Cole.
That's quite, I've heard that a lot though.
That's too slow, fam. Hate that.
It's the same, it's an art.
Well, that's wavy.
I can make that with an operator. Just download this menu, and they're free for profit as well. So I can use them and not get copyrighted. Oh, it's still literally recording. So guys, we've got cocktails today because we're trying to be wavy. Good.
That's quite a wavy one there, I like that.
Okay.
And you get the boom opposed to it, you know?
Yeah.
So I want to have like a difference, like, so I've got one maybe, because we're just experimenting, you know? That one's got a bit of tempo to it, the other one's quite chilled out.
Yeah. That was all of them for that search. What else?
Okay, search up Kendrick Lamar. Vibey loop, check that. That's vibey, I'll rate that.
It's too complex.
And that'll
I
go.
can't imagine that.
Yeah, that's wavy, isn't it? Like.
I just reckon like 1,503 people have downloaded it, so it might already exist as a song, but it doesn't really matter.
It's just about his name.
Oh, is that Young Thug?
Yeah.
Fuck him. He's fucking homophobic.
Making acid rap.
Nice flute.
Is it all bare like? Oh, Lil Tecca.
Oh, Lil Tecca.
So we're accessing the beats we've already got. She works on in her spare time. The goat.
Talking about like it's their time.
Yeah.
We had some of like the ones I already had, but we don't really fuck with them, so we're gonna start a new one. Set the tempo to like what we want, like 110 or something. What tempo do you want, like that?
I think that's a lot, that's quite slow.
Let's start with this one. Tempo.
So this is the intro, yeah?
No, I'm just working out. You can't just make the beat. We're programming drum. Don't get that angle. That's disgusting. So I'm starting with the kick. Let's make it a bit louder so we can hear. So let's just loop that. Oh, what the fuck? Why did it do that? Why is it doing that? snare that I think you'll like. It's like a snare.
That's wavy, man.
That's
yeah, go on, yeah, that's good.
Get the keyboard and shit. So.
Fucking wavy. I've made significant progress.
Oh yeah, okay, ready?
Let's go.
So I'll show you what I've been doing to the drums. So I've added in lots of percussion. Added in the shaker, a gyro, but I don't know what that even is. Clave. Clave, whatever the fuck you call it. Clave. I'll call it a clave. Sounds better. A blip.
Yeah. Pacing 2020.
So that's how to make a simple beat. I don't know, we need a part of the song for like where it's just really simple instead of this heavy loop. I had the fucking, what's it called, metronome one. Let me do a little riser here to like build it up. Oh no, I'll do this where you like, so you keep filming. So I'm gonna go on the automation grid and I'm gonna zoom in here. I'm gonna create I'm just gonna put a couple of drum hits here. So like that, and I'll have it like, I'll single that. And I'm gonna go on the drum rack, gonna click transpose.
This is a genius at work right here.
Oh, where's it going? Show all parameters.
This is a madness.
I'll click fucking transpose. Here, transpose. So I'm going to make this a lot bigger. And I'm going to transpose this. So it like it goes. So it kind of goes in like that, but like it might not. I don't know. Oh, I didn't press that. Command Z. Right. Command Z is undo, by the way. So let's just try this.
Oh my god, that's beautiful.
I don't know if I like it.
Maybe a little bit less. Yeah, I fuck with that heavy.
Wait, what's that?
Show the people what you've got.
Or I could have it go down like this. I like it up.
Yes.
So close the automation grid, and then it's kind of like you can't really see it.
But you hear it.
Wait, ready? Okay, so we'll play it from the beginning.
Oh my god, cat.
I'll put like an auto filter. So, where am I going? Audio effects, auto filter. I'll put it on the drums and I'll have it, so like, one sec. Auto filter. I'll have it off for the rest of the song. I'll go like this. I might do a sweep as well. I can't remember how to do a sweep, let me look it up.
I want to wait.
Right, I've made a melody, so this is like the melody. It sounds a bit shit, but with the beat already, this is the beat. So Ben was like, where are we with the song? So in terms of steps in making a song, the first thing I'll do is get an 8-bar loop of like the height of the song will sound like this. That's what like the height of the song will sound like. So like the climax, like the chorus even. And then we build around. I usually build around that. Sometimes I'll create the intro first, but like I'll sort of build an intro around that. So just like without the drums. And then I've also created a like lower intensity set of drums, so it goes like this. So it's just really simple for if Ben wants a bit where he just wants to go softly. So I've created that bit. And so I'll start by creating the idea, so the loops, like the 8-bar loop of like the beat. Then I'll go on to doing the structure, so that's when we start writing the lyrics. So then we'll structure the song around what we've got. And then we'll record before we start mixing. That's crucial because you want to mix around the vocal. And we'll record once we've recorded the song, that whole idea is down. Then the mixing comes in. Mixing, our mix is like the main portion of the production, is the mixing. And then you'll have it basically finished, and then you'll just master it and export it. And that's basically the steps that I will go. Or I might, and we'll put in like some samples, put in some like vocal samples as well, because it's going to be like a rap song. But I think we should put some like cool vocal samples in. And, like,
definitely, yeah.
Like but yeah, this is the very first
Ad-libs,
step. But as you can already hear, like, it already sounds like a song, like this bit. It's already starting to sound like a song, thanks to that guy's loop, but also my drums. Drums are becoming my speciality. I haven't mixed the drums at all. But yeah, I haven't mixed the drums at all, but you can put the screen up. Yeah, I will be doing that. You watch out. And also, a step that I will do probably now is insert a groove to the drums. So in Ableton you have this thing called the groove pool. I learnt this quite recently actually, which is shocking because like it really helps. And I don't know how I didn't know it before. So, you have a groove pool and you want to go in, is it clips? No, is it? No, packs. You want to go in packs, core library, swing and groove, hip hop grooves. I'll go in there. And you can listen to the grooves. And they'll apply like a randomised effect to your drums, so it sounds like a human's playing them. Because the idea with the drums is that you want it to sound like someone's playing it. So I'll apply the groove to the drum rack. Let's groove on it. And I'll randomise it 5 or 10%, so it sounds like it's like a human can't play the exact same timing for every bar. So. Hey guys, so it's like 3 weeks later, not sure how much later, but I got a new screen. I thought I'd show you because it's just really cool. It's a good update to the studio. It looks so cool now. And yeah, borrowed it from Ben, so thanks Ben. And yeah, also my battery's flashing, but I forgot to tell you that I now have business cards. Yeah, I didn't get any more footage than that, so I'm gonna end the video here, but thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned a little bit about how I make music and just the basics, like how I go about it. Tune in next week for a brand new video. See you guys, and subscribe if you enjoyed. I post once a week, whatever day I like, because I can't stick to a schedule. And yeah, I'll see you next week.